Hello, welcome back to Classic Mini Shorts. Bit more exciting this time. I'm actually going to be cutting. More confident than I was on the other side. I had to cut about here and then here and then here and then maybe the final cut. This time we're just going to be doing one cut along around that patch, and then I'll be cutting that dotted line there, which is probably about 1 or 2 centimeters shy of where we'll end up, but I need to do it in 2 cuts. I can't do it in one. Yeah, so along there, and then all the way to here, and then this should just come out, but we might have to cut down there. And then we just got one. We got one spot weld there that seems to be holding on. Otherwise, it should come out. Right, most of the cutting done there. Need to change the blade again. Hoping I haven't cut too deep here and here. Tried not to cut into the tunnel too much there and there, and just relieve this down here, that spot weld there. Anyway, I'll change the blade again and I'll come back to you. So we just finished running across there and run down there. It's fairly loose all the way around. There's a tiny little cut. There was a tiny little cut there that needed finishing, but I do seem to be stuck. I seem to be stuck in here and possibly in here still. So what I'm going to do, flip it back over, and then I'm just going to from the inside slice the inner sill about here, obviously not here where it's completely free, but there and there, and then we'll just pick off the bits that are left. So we'll just turn the car over. I think there's a spot weld there and there, so we're just going to drill those out and see what happens. Right, we're still slightly stuck on the end of this tunnel here, so I'm going to put the cutting blade in there, see if I can release it. think we're there, lads. Let's try. Almost. Something over here. We'll tidy that little bit off later, but here we go. 1/2 floor out. Well, not really out, but you know what I mean. We're getting there. So it's just this piece here that's damaged, but I've got to do a repair. See, I've got to do a repair here where it's all rusted away, maybe a little bit here as well. So not exactly sure what we'll do here, but at least we've got this out. Looks alright in there. A little bit of surface rust, nothing too bad. I think we can probably have just about enough metal of these left. This top one's absolutely fine. This one's not too bad, that one. Maybe we'll just add a little piece. Still got to get some of this old floor off of the toe board, but it'll be easier to do now that we've got more access. And we'll probably take another centimetre or so off of here. Not sure, I might end up taking off the battery cable guard there, and possibly taking this off as well, because we got one of those on the new floor. Same as that one. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.